Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're gonna check it out how to make 3D shape in super duper high resolution. I'm gonna use this text as a reference. We're gonna go to the 3D materials. I'm gonna inflate it and I'm gonna change the position. And I also gonna increase the depth a little. I also gonna select it and click on the ray tracing to refine it. So I activated the ray tracing. Now it looks more realistic, but it also looks really pixelated. So you might click on this and might think that you also gonna need to click on high and this might solve all the problems. We still have the same exact results, still pixelated, so this is not the option. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go here to the ray tracing options again, and here we got something called raster settings. Click on it and check this out. Here we have the resolution and we got the resolution on a 72 ppi. Change it. You can go to 300. I did it on 300, or you can also type in how much you want. If you try to increase it a lot, make sure to have a strong CPU because this is going to render a good amount of time. I'm going to go 300, transparent background, click OK, and check this out. Now it's high resolution. Now I only recommend to render this at high resolution when you're exporting it. But before that, when you are editing and customizing your 3D objects, make it on low resolution so it can render really fast. And when you're done, you render it in high resolution. So this was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.